really fast how easy it is to do.
Make this fast pattern even
It'll
faster.
be so fast.
Oh, I
it's
love
a fast
that.
one.
Great.
So let me just get these out of the way here. So we've got, I'm going to show this one really quick so we know what we're working toward, okay? So we're working toward this particular leaf right here.
I love that.
And that's how it looks. These are basically the same colors, only these are print and these are solids. So we're going to work toward this leaf. Pretty self-explanatory. These are all 2-inch squares. Honestly, you could just do this out of your scraps. I pulled these out of my autumn scrap basket. So, but I'm going to show you real quick. You can see that this stem is pretty thin.
It is.
It's kind of it's like a 1/4 inch, really. So we've got a quick little way to do that for you to make it nice and straight and not wonky. So let's go with that.
All right.
So here is your brown. That's going to be it. I've got this whole big piece right here. That's going to be your stem part. You're going to take these. This is the background, and you'll just lay it right on there. We're going to draw the line right here. Now you can see right there, those do not match up, those points.
Oh, yeah. So you would kind of, if you were seeing that, you would be like, oh, they messed up.
Yeah, it's like a little bit, cut a little bit short. It's only a 1/4 inch different. But if you have a laser, this is great. If you don't have a laser, mark it with a pencil. If you have the larger one of these, you could actually go ahead and cut it right off.
Okay.
That's a little trick I'll show you with the leaves in a second. So I'm going to give you this.
All right.
And you're going to go ahead and sew straight on that line, all right? And then we'll cut a 1/4 inch away so that we have our little seam allowance. Now, I press this before I add the other one on, just so it's out of my way. So once she sews that on, we're going to go ahead and press it, and it'll give us 1/2 of it. All right, so there you go.
All right.
And I'll go ahead and mark the other one while you do that. So it's very simple. There is a tiny bit of waste, but one fun thing you can do, this is just, I don't know if you care about it, but you can take that leftover triangle, and if you sew another seam down that, just put it into your scraps for other, for other things that you want to put together.
So you just have like random half-square triangles laying around?
Honestly, they make the best scrap quilts.
They do.
So, all right, let's go ahead and press it. Oh, wait, we'll cut this right here. I'm going to take that 1/4 inch for you. There's my rotary cutter right there, hiding. Luckily, it's not open and I'm not barefoot. All right, then we can just press that real quick.
All right.
See, this is a pretty big scrap when you come right down to it. I don't throw things away that big, especially these good colors. So, and then, yep, so that gives us 1/2 right there. We're going to lay the other one right here, lined up nice and straight. And then it's going to give us a perfect little
That is
skinny,
so much easier than trying to sew
that little skinny strip of brown.
Little skinny strip, yes.
All right, there you go, Cheri. I'm sure you can straighten that out how you need to. My fingers weren't getting it. They're just a little sticky. So, but I mean, it's a great way to get a nice skinny stem. Usually, it's a little harder to sew something that's only about 1/2 inch wide.
Yeah.
With its seam allowances. So, and then we're going to do the same thing for the points on the leaf. Okay. Now, when you have that done,
There's that.
that's beautiful. Let's cut that off real quick. Let me scoot that out of my way, because that's what we're going to work on next. Ooh, make sure you don't cut the wrong side off. I just looked at that and I thought, is that right? Okay.
Take that tip from us.
Yeah, that would be real fun. There you go. Oh, that's beautiful.
Not. Well, you get to re-sew it, I guess.
We can make another. I brought plenty of scraps. And then we're going to do that with the leaves as well. But I have another little tip for the leaf. And we're going to use...
Okay, I'm looking at this, and does it matter which way your seams are pressed?
It doesn't matter. I actually pressed mine toward the background.
Okay.
But
okay, so I have one of each.
Yeah, that'll work just fine. See, now look how nice and thin that little stem is right there. It's going to go perfect on our leaf. So now I've got most of this put together because it's a pretty simple block, like I said. These are just, and in the pattern, it's very good. It'll show you everything you need to do. But now we've got 2 more leaves to sew on right here, and I'm going to have Cheri do that. Now, one of them, I mean, if we want to, we can go ahead and draw the line on like this, you know, just like normal. Or if you're brave enough, let's take this and line that up.
This ruler.
I love this ruler. Let's line that up and, cut it right here.
So what
I
if
just thought,
it's cutting it and then we don't have to cut it after? And
right.
It's just going to be
exactly. So now she's going to sew a 1/4 inch right there. So what I'm talking about doing is, if you look at this ruler, it's got your little line that outlines, like if you're going to have a 2-inch square or 3-inch or 4-inch, whatever size it's going to be. You lay it right there from point to point. You can see, make it a little easier to point at that. Line that up right there at your point. Go down. This is a 2.5-inch block, so it ends right there. And it gives me my perfect little 1/4 inch seam.
Yep.
And I thought, I am not going to go and draw all those on all these, because you all know me. Even though this is a table runner, I'm sorry, I meant to hand you this one. Even though this is a table runner, I loved these leaves so much. I'm like, I'm making that into a quilt. So I'm going to, there'll be a lot of them.
On this, like my machine for my first one, I had it centered. And on this one, I'm going to change it to
put on your 1/4 inch.
The 1/4 inch. And,
right.
And we are on the NQ 3550W. And so usually we say put it on Q2. This machine still has it, but it's the 1-29.
1-29. Okay.
So.
All right. So for any of you who will purchase that one, now you know what to do. Or if you choose to purchase it in the future.
Yes, it is a great deal right now. You can text Mike if you want information on that pricing.
All right. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this one for you as well. Now see that cute little thing? Look at that. Even has your corners clipped, you guys.
Oh, that's what's so nice about
I
it.
know, I love it. So we'll have that right there. I'm going to put that one. Where did I think I wanted that? Here's this one to sew.
Okay.
I think I want that one right there. So that'll put almost all of our leaf together. There we go. I mean, these are the colors that Chris is talking about for autumn. Oh, I love them.
For autumn.
For autumn. Okay, let's get that one just kind of finger pressed open. And then it will go right there. So you can see we've got a whole nother leaf ready right now.
That is so cute.
See how fast it is?
It is.